welcome to our comprehensive guide on data management. In this video, we'll explore essential aspects such as data storage, security, and analysis. But first, let's define data management. At its core, data management involves the collection, storage, and use of data securely and efficiently. It's vital in IT and data science, impacting business decisions and operational efficiency. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for anyone working with data. Throughout this series, we'll cover key topics to help you manage data proficiently. We'll identify common issues professionals face, explore solutions and techniques, from effective storage methods to robust security measures, and leverage advanced analysis techniques. You'll gain practical insights and actionable steps to master data management in your field. So, let's get started on this journey to proficiency in data management. Stay tuned as we uncover challenges and solutions that will transform the way you handle data. Before diving into solutions, let's address common data management issues professionals face today. Firstly, data silos, where data is isolated in different departments, making it hard to get a unified view. Another major challenge is inconsistent data formats, creating chaos when analyzing or sharing data. Importantly, data security breaches, which can have catastrophic consequences by compromising sensitive information and damaging the integrity of your organization's data. Understanding these issues is crucial for laying the groundwork for effective data management. As we move forward, we'll delve into strategies to tackle these challenges head-on. Having identified common data management issues, let's explore effective solutions. For data storage challenges, consider cloud storage, data warehousing, and strategic backups. Cloud storage provides scalable solutions ensuring data accessibility from anywhere, beneficial for remote teams. Data warehousing organizes large volumes of data into a comprehensive database, facilitating easier analysis and reporting. Implementing strong backup strategies is crucial. Regular backups prevent data loss from unforeseen events like hardware failures or cyber attacks. Ensure best practices by scheduling frequent backups and storing them securely. These solutions play a pivotal role in addressing complex data storage landscapes. Moving forward, we'll delve into crucial strategies for ensuring data security, helping you protect valuable information from a range of potential threats. Data security is paramount in data management. Start with robust encryption protocols, transforming data into a secure format accessible only with decryption keys. Next, establish stringent access controls, limit access to sensitive data based on roles, minimizing unauthorized access risks. Regular audits are crucial, periodically reviewing security measures to identify and address vulnerabilities. Security isn't a one-time effort but a continuous process demanding constant vigilance and updates against emerging threats. Implementing these measures not only safeguards your data but builds trust with your stakeholders. Next, we'll explore sophisticated data analysis techniques like data mining, statistical analysis, and machine learning, unlocking valuable insights from your data. Harnessing data analysis is essential for uncovering valuable insights and informed decision-making. The journey begins with data mining, identifying patterns and relationships in vast datasets. Next, statistical analysis applies methods to interpret data, test hypotheses, and draw conclusions confidently, from descriptive statistics summarizing trends to inferential statistics predicting future outcomes. Machine learning empowers systems to learn from data, identifying patterns, and making decisions with minimal human intervention. Whether supervised or unsupervised learning, machine learning transforms raw data into actionable intelligence. Integrating these techniques revolutionizes data management, unlocking new levels of insight and innovation. Now, let's transition to integrating data management systems and how these techniques support overall strategies. Integrating and maintaining data management systems is essential for streamlining operations and enhancing data quality. Choosing the right system requires considering factors like scalability, compatibility with existing infrastructure, and cost. Once selected, focus on seamless integration with current tools and processes to reduce data silos and foster a unified data environment. Regular updates keep systems secure and functional, while proactive monitoring addresses issues before they escalate. Ongoing vigilance ensures peak performance, supporting evolving organizational needs. Choosing, integrating, and maintaining the right system forms the backbone of a robust data strategy. Next, we'll explore a real-world case study, highlighting the practical benefits of effective data management. Let's delve into a compelling real-world example of successful data management. This case study explores a company struggling with data silos and inconsistent formats, causing inefficiencies and data breach risks. By implementing a comprehensive strategy, including robust cloud storage and stringent security measures, they restructured their workflow. Investing in advanced analysis techniques, like machine learning, uncovered valuable insights leading to more informed decisions and enhanced operational efficiency. Through persistence and smart planning, the company overcame significant obstacles and emerged as a leader in data-driven success. As we move forward, we'll see how adopting similar strategies can benefit your data management practices. To ensure ongoing success in data management, adopting best practices is essential. Regular updates safeguard systems against vulnerabilities and ensure optimal performance. Equally important is employee training, which provides necessary skills and knowledge to handle data responsibly and effectively. Continuous monitoring is crucial for identifying and addressing issues promptly, ensuring smooth operations. These practices, regular updates, comprehensive training, and continuous monitoring, enhance security and efficiency, fostering a culture of accountability and continuous improvement. Next, we'll apply these best practices to real-world scenarios, demonstrating their impact in various contexts. Stay tuned for insights on the latest trends and future directions in data management. Looking towards the future, several key trends are set to revolutionize data management. AI and automation will increasingly handle routine tasks, allowing professionals to focus on strategic initiatives. The era of big data brings opportunities and challenges. Harnessing vast datasets is essential for driving insights and innovation. Evolving data privacy regulations will require careful navigation to stay compliant and protect user data. These trends point to an exciting and complex future for data management. Adopting new technologies and strategizing around regulations will be key to success. In our final segment, we'll summarize the main points discussed and provide actionable steps to leverage these insights. Stay tuned for essential tips on mastering data management. In conclusion, our journey through data management highlights its vital role in success. We identified common issues like data silos and security breaches, explored practical solutions such as cloud storage and data warehousing, and covered essential security measures. We looked at effective data analysis techniques and the integration of data management systems. Through a real-world case study, we saw how these techniques yield tangible results. By following best practices and staying aware of future trends, you can ensure robust and forward-thinking data strategies. Apply these techniques in your daily practices and stay updated with the latest trends. Subscribe for more insights and updates. Continue mastering data management to drive your success forward.